Apple farming can be a unique and profitable venture when it's properly planned and maintained.
They're a high-demand crop with year-round market potential. Once planted, an apple tree can produce for many years, offering long-term returns. Dear viewers, today we will know how to cultivate apples. We will discuss all the rules and regulations of apple cultivation step by step. Usually, apples give good yields in cool climates, but with the help of modern technology, attempts are now being made to produce apples in relatively hot climates as well. Apples generally grow well in loam or sandy loam soil where there is good drainage. The pH value of the soil should be between 6 and 7. During land preparation, the soil should be loosened by clearing weeds through deep cultivation. To increase soil fertility, cow dung, compost, and other organic fertilizers can be applied. During land preparation, phosphorus, potash, and other necessary elements should be mixed into the soil so that the roots of the tree develop quickly. Choosing the right variety is very important in apple cultivation because each variety has its own characteristics and production capacity. Some popular apple varieties are Red Delicious, Golden Delicious, Granny Smith, Fuji, Gala, and Crips Pink. There is a difference between varieties suitable for cultivation in the Himalayan region and plains. Some varieties can tolerate cold, while some varieties are able to survive in relatively warm weather. High-yielding and disease-resistant varieties should be chosen so that farmers can get good profits. Apple trees are usually grown using grafting methods. Grafted seedlings grow faster and yield better. Spring or autumn is usually the right time for planting seedlings. Before planting seedlings, holes should be made by maintaining a specified distance. Each hole should be filled with cow dung, organic fertilizer, lime, and necessary chemical fertilizers. Spacing depends on rootstock, traditional 7 to 8 meters or high-density planting 2 to 4 meters. After planting, it is necessary to water regularly and cover the base of the tree so that the roots are properly established. Generally, fertilizer is applied according to the age of the tree, soil fertility, and yield. Although nitrogen fertilizer is necessary in the initial stage of tree growth, potash and phosphorus are more needed during fruiting. Apple trees can be damaged by various diseases and insect attacks. Some common diseases include scab, powdery mildew, fire blight, and other fungal diseases. Necessary fungicides and disinfectants can be sprayed to prevent these diseases. Pollination is an important step for proper fruiting after flowering in apple trees. Many apple varieties cannot self-pollinate, so multiple varieties should be planted side by side for mutual pollination. Bees play a major role in pollination, so it is necessary to make arrangements to attract bees in the field. If pollination does not occur naturally, artificial pollination can also be done manually. If excess fruit is discarded during fruit formation, the remaining fruits become large and juicy, which can be sold at a higher price in the market. Apples usually start bearing fruit within 3 to 5 years of planting. Although the yield is relatively low initially, the yield increases later with regular care. Harvesting the fruit when it is unripe can lead to poor taste and quality, while overripe fruit can fall on the ground and be ruined. Maturity is usually determined by looking at the color, size, and taste of the fruit. The fruit is harvested by hand or by shaking it and transported with soft hands so that the fruit is not damaged. After harvesting, storage and marketing of the fruit is very important. Apples can be stored in a cold place for a long time, for which cold stores can be used. It is possible to establish apple cultivation as a profitable and sustainable agricultural enterprise through farmer training, research expansion, and public and private investment.